All right, on the Nissan, we got our door key done. That's gonna go in right there. Front ignition on, ignition's on. Programming, please wait. Well, that just reset itself, so I already know how to do it. So we're gonna make sure this beeps 5 times. There it is in the middle. Okay, we're gonna pull the key out. Put the key back in. Press the start button. Pull the key out. Put the key back in. Press the start button. Okay, now the car stayed on when we pulled it out, so that key is done. Let's start the car.